All right, Bitcoin holders, this is for you. And so let's talk about Bitcoin to 170,000 plus in the very near future, quite possibly by the first quarter of 2025. And maybe even sooner than that, we'll see. There is a lot of power and heavyweights out there talking positive about Bitcoin and how far it can go. Remember, we are in a Bitcoin halving year. Historically, back in 2020 and 2016, we saw Bitcoin go up, excuse me, starting in October, November, and December, 20%, 30%, 40% in those respective months. And so all indicators are good here. Everything is looking really, really, really well. And you've also got this playing out. The election forecast right now via polymarket.com is showing a decisive win for Trump. Again, regardless of your politics, we're talking about this in the context of its impact on crypto. Trump is very pro crypto. He has stated publicly he's going to fire Gary Gensler on day one if he takes office. There's a lot of moving parts to this, right? But I think you're seeing a positive lift, and we're now coming up on our fourth day of positive gains here in the overall crypto market. The crypto market's added about $200 billion in market capitalization in the last 3 or 4 days. And I think we could see even more gains coming. Okay. So what is it that needs to happen for Bitcoin to hit that $170,000 level? And who are some people talking about Bitcoin going up? Well, we all know about Larry Fink, the CEO of BlackRock. He's out there talking about it. We've got a lot of powerful people in traditional finance that are now on public TV and all over the internet and everywhere talking about how great Bitcoin is, which is all good stuff. Okay. We need a critical level to hold for us to kind of set a baseline, and that is the 21 EMA trend line. Okay. And so I'll cut to the chase. We need that to close above $67,285 by the end of October. So we just need to close above that by the end of October. Now we're right there. You can see right now we're at 67.6, but we've got approximately 14, 15 more days left in the month. And I think we should get well over 70,000, maybe even close to 75,000 by the end of this month, because we are now heading into the momentum is there. We're heading into kind of good waters, if you will. The fear and greed index is a nice 58, a nice neutral, heading towards some green territory there. We got Bitcoin dominance growing now. We were at 56.9 3 or 4 days ago. Now we're at 57.7. So again, you got a lot of capital flowing into Bitcoin. We've got 4 or 5 days of record inflows into the Bitcoin ETFs. In fact, yesterday, I believe we had $2 billion of positive inflows into the Bitcoin ETFs. And I think the day before it was over 1.4, 1.5 billion. So again, all good stuff, pointing to and leading to the fact that Bitcoin leading crypto is now starting to get legs and starting to move forward and continuing to move forward in that run. Okay, so the key you need to remember is we need to close above that trend line to set a baseline for that $170,000 price by the first quarter of 2025. But here's where I wanted to show you this. Several analysts have speculated contrasting prices, but they're all within the same neighborhood. The one that we're talking about in this article, who's talking about this 21 EMA moving trend line, is EGRAG. Others calling for a lower price. Okay, Peter Brandt predicted that would hit a peak of 150. Okay, that's cool, right? House of Crypto said we would see 175. Standard Chartered raised the bar to printing 200,000. Here's what it comes down to. As long as we continue to move up and we got positive momentum, I'm okay with it. And we get over 100,000 and we get that FOMO factor kicking in. That's what we really need. And that's the good stuff. Okay. So here's another view of kind of what we get seeing on Bitcoin. 5 days ago, we started this run and we're up 12% in Bitcoin 5 days ago. That is a buy alert, by the way, coming in from my trading indicator X1 algo that I spent a lot of money having built. 30-day, no questions asked. There's a link in the description below if you want to try it out, because you really get to try it out for 30 days for free. If you don't like it, you get a complete refund. There's a discount code down there as well. So try it at the monthly level. It basically costs $1 a day. $1 a day gives you insight telling you when to buy, when to sell any and all cryptos, including Bitcoin. Software runs on your mobile or on a computer if you like, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You can use it anywhere in the world to make a bunch of money. All right, so give it a look. I'll see you. As always, thanks for giving me a few minutes. And hit that like and hit that subscribe if you would. I'll see you. Bye.